Girl, I have a date later. I'm so excited. I'm about to show up. Girl, Jane, are you even listening?
Oh, I'm sorry. I got distracted because of these trending reels. A girl got robbed and kidnapped. It's so close to our dorm. We're not safe here.
Girl, stop watching scripted films. It's so fake. Anyways, I have a Tinder date later. Oh my gosh.
Are you sure with that? Maybe that man has other plans on you. Later on, maybe that's the criminal the DC's been looking for. You know what? Be careful.
Of course. Girl, stop saying nonsense things, okay?
I'm just worried you might get in trouble.
Okay, fine. I know you're just a super protected friend I have. Thank you, and bye. I'm about to pack some balikbayan box to send to my family. Oh, someone's calling. It's my baby. Hi, I'll be there at 8. Okay, prepare everything. Oh, someone's calling again.
Heck, you're Asian? Wait for me. I already see you there.
Oh, a bad boy. I love it.
What kind of a woman are you? Boys, help me with this pig.
What do you think? Americans will love you here? Go back to your poor country.
Wait, no.
You deserve this, you pig!
After the traumatizing moment, Jim got lost.
Help me, please. Can I use your phone?
Get your dirty hands off.
Hey, do you need a hand? Take this bottled water. I believe you're a Filipino like us. Come with us. We will help you go back to your working place and to your home. You know, here in the state, racism is so famous. It's hard to explain, but that's everything you need to know.
Yeah, I feel so traumatized now.
Here's a cup of milk, and by the way, what's your name?
My name is Shem De Castro. I work at Daily Sanitation Program. It's located in Southern California. It's near a mini store.
Well, stay here for a while and heal yourself.
A lot of work to do. I miss Jem.
Jade. Jade. What happened to your hand? Why do you have bruises?
I should have listened to you.
Just me, you can't take that. You're safe, Jade.